So I'm just gonna separate my hair, my beautiful, whoa, look at the curl, look at it, look at it, look at it. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. When your curls bobbing, 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 when your curls popping. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, back to me not being a weird person. Okay. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and today we are going to be doing the world famous Aztec clay mask. I'm so hyped about this. So I basically used a product that I feel was horrible for my hair, and I haven't done my hair and I felt like I needed a really deep cleansing. Like I need my hair needs to be clean, okay? And deconditioned. And I've always heard that this Aztec clay mask is really good for cleansing your hair and revitalizing your curls. So since I've been doing a lot of wash and goes, I'm thinking about incorporating this into my regimen monthly. So I thought I would do a first impressions with you on camera. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell as well if you're interested in natural hair videos and I guess beauty in general, since I'm gonna start putting out some makeup videos since that was requested. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, it would be greatly appreciated and you won't miss out on any video. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the Aztec clay mask. This is what the mask looks like. It is just bentonite clay. There's a lot of good benefits to using this clay mask on your hair. I have been using it on my face as well. I'm not sure how I feel about that part yet, but stay tuned for that, stay tuned for that. I mixed it with this apple cider vinegar from Sprouts, and it came out with this smooth paste like this. So you don't want to use any metals when you mix it, but all the benefits of the clay mask will be on your screen for you to read. On your screen for you to read. And we're just gonna get started. So this is like a cleansing, like it's like a shampoo. So my hair was extremely dry and all it had in was leave-in conditioner because I used this one product that was terrible for my hair. It was a wash and go, the product that I tried, and it did not work for me. I will link that video below so you can see what did not work for me. It was a wash and no, okay? First wash and go fail I've had. But, it led me to this. So, we always look to the side here, it led me to this. So, we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna put it on all of my hair. So, we're just gonna start on this back section here. I wet my hair because I don't know, I always wet my hair before I put stuff in my hair. Like, I don't know why I would put it on dry. But yeah, so I'm just gonna, I feel like this is gonna be very messy, so I'm just gonna take some of it. Ooh, it's thick. Okay, maybe I made it a little too thick, but this is how much I'm taking. Just gonna rub it in. I might have to make some more because I don't know, like maybe I made it too thick. I didn't want it to be super runny, so. But yeah, I do feel like this is gonna be very messy. So I'm just gonna put this in my hair, just like I would a deep conditioner or something like that. Although this clearly isn't a deep conditioner. And we're gonna see. So first impressions is that it feels like a clay, shocker. But it does look like my curls are defining, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so that is the first section. That's what we're looking like. It's not too bad. It just feels like a clay. I personally don't like the smell of apple cider vinegar. I don't know who does, so next time I might be adding some essential oils. But I'm just gonna keep going. My hair is not soaking wet. It is a little damp, but I feel like it needs a little bit more water, so I'm just gonna add a little bit here. Gonna add a little bit more to this next section. Yeah, it feels better when I add more water, so definitely gonna make sure I add enough water to my hair. That feels a lot better. So So I'm just gonna put this on my head and we'll see what these results look like. Oh yeah, do you see that definition? Ooh, did you see that definition? Ah! Ah! Oh, child, yes. Okay. Okay, Aztec. Okay, bentonite clay. All right, so I'm just gonna keep going. I'm not gonna like thoroughly detangle as of right now. I'm just going to keep going throughout the rest of my head, and then I'll be back at the end to show you what it looks like. But it shouldn't take me that long. So I'll be right back, and then I will show you what it looks like. Okay. So we are done applying the mask, and it looks so good. Like it's like already defining my curls. I have a problem area in the front. My curl pattern's looser in the front than it is in the back, and it's already defining those, which is really interesting to me. So this is what my hair is looking like. Little 360 here, and although I said I don't like the smell of apple cider vinegar, like after a while it's actually not that bad. But anyways, it's very messy. So when I first started, I barely put I didn't add any water to that section. As I went along, I decided to add some more water because my hair was drying out. By adding water, it made it so much easier to apply. I used all of it pretty much, as you can see. So I'm just gonna sit with this on for like 20 or 30 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm gonna deep condition. So this, after you use this, you don't necessarily have to use a deep conditioner, but I do plan on using a deep conditioner just because of the video I shot previously with a product that did not work for my hair, and my hair was so dry. I experienced so much shedding because of that product. Like I hadn't shed that much in years, and so I just really wanted to do something to refresh my curls, and I think a deep conditioner will help to make sure that my hair is moisturized again. I really like this. Like this is crazy to me. This is crazy to me. I will be back after I rinse this out to show you the results. Okay, so I am back. I let the Aztec clay sit on my hair for like 20-30-ish minutes, and I got in the shower, rinsed it out, and I just put it immediately in this cap because I wanted to see what the curls look like with you for the first time. But I will say, this was so moisturizing. My hair feels amazing. Like I don't think I've ever felt my curls feel that good, ever, like ever. And I've been natural for a while. I've tried a lot of products. Like I feel like I have a good balance of moisture and protein, but this clay, the way it felt, if it looks as good as it feels, like bruh, we got a winner. We got a winner. So I'm just gonna take it out and we'll see what these curls look like. No product. Woo! But look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. My curls. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at these curls. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Like even the front is curling, and that's always problems. Like look at these curls. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. And this is with no deep conditioner, nothing. So I am gonna deep condition my hair, but bruh, Like, do you see my curls? Like, oh my goodness, I've never felt something like this. Like, I've never done something like this, and I just can't, like, hats off to whoever figured this out, because bro, this is a miracle worker. Like, I can't even explain. I can't even explain. So I'm at a loss for words, but my curls are clearly amazing right now. Amazing. Oh my goodness. Like, can we just take a moment of appreciation for these curls? Like, whoo, child. Yes. So I do see why people do not use a deep conditioner, but I will be using a deep conditioner again because of the product that shall not be named messed up my hair. So I feel like I need to start off with more moisture than normal, just so I can make sure I feel good about the state of my hair, because I put it through so much stress because of the product that shall not be named. So I'm just gonna separate my hair, my beautiful, look at the curl, look at it. Ooh, oh. When your curls poppin', 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 when your curls poppin'. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, back to me not being a weird person. Okay, it also did a really good job of helping me to detangle my hair. My hair was so matted, like after I used that product, like I can't even explain to you, there was more hair on my floor in my shower than I've had in so long. So, but like, just take a moment. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. Child, I can't. It's a wrap. But I'm still gonna put deep conditioner on. So I'm just gonna apply. This is the Coconut and Shea Deep Conditioner from Eden. So I'm just gonna apply this liberally, finger detangle. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on for 10-15 minutes, rinse it out, and then I'll be back to show you the final results before I style it. And hi loves, so I deep conditioned for like 20 minutes and these are the results. It is safe to say that this product is one of my faves right now. Obviously one of my favorite products. First of all, if you've never had a product that you tried and you instantly were like, this is it, this is my favorite product, like you're lying to yourself. This is amazing. This clay. Just look at my curls though. Like, this is gorgeous. Like, look at my curls. My hair is soft, it's clean. Like, obviously my hair is clean when I wash it, but like, it's thoroughly cleansed. Like, my hair feels so soft, like so soft. Like, I have to do this at minimum. I will be doing this once a month, at minimum. This is an amazing product. I'm so happy I did this. So again, this was super easy to make. I just mixed maybe an even amount of the clay and then an apple cider vinegar. I will insert maybe a video over here, I'll insert a video so you can see. And I just made it the consistency that I wanted and put it on my hair like I showed you, and it feels so good. My hair feels amazing. If you've ever used this mask, please let me know. I would love to know what your results were, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.